In my first month video editing, I earned $500, and today I'm going to break down my roadmap so that you can do the exact same thing. Hey, if we've not met before, my name is Craft, and I help new creatives grow their skill set and earn money. And today I'm giving you my 3-step strategy so that you can have a great, successful month, your first month freelance editing. Whenever you start a new side hustle, it is intimidating to know where to start. That's why today I'm going to break down my exact roadmap to help you succeed. Step number 1 is the cold DM. I had to learn quickly how to sell myself. This is a technique that every freelancer has to earn so fast. Sell yourself. Sell yourself well. Develop an excellent sales pitch so that you can pitch not only clients that you're meeting online, but clients that you're meeting with in person so that you can start earning money. The best way that I was able to succeed my first month as a freelance editor was by pitching myself well to people who needed an editor. Step number 2, I did free work. During that free month, I did some free work, and that free work helped me build up my portfolio to show potential high-paying clients the kind of work that I could do. Do not shy away from free work, especially if you are getting started. Now, don't do free work forever. Never sell yourself short, and always have good rates. But when you are just getting started, there's nothing wrong with doing free work or creating some of your own spec work to show what you can do as an editor. Pro tip, whenever you do free work, ask for a referral or a review. It is one of the best ways to help grow your video editing business. Every time I do free work, I always ask for a referral or I ask for a review. That way I can use it when pitching new clients. Step 3, create a 30-second editing reel. This reel was designed to show clients quickly the kind of work that I could do. It was simple and short and designed to say, hey, my name is Craft, this is the work I can do, and this is what I specialize in. In fact, check out my 30-second editing reel.
Hey, my name is Craft. I'm a freelance video editor, and I work with high-profile clients from small businesses to authors and YouTubers to help create high-quality edits so that they can share their story and their narrative more effectively. I specialize in content from interviews, talking headshots, gaming footage, and more. When you work with Craft, you get a high-quality edit at an affordable price so that you can better share your story with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Book with me today so that you can get a high-quality edit for your next video.
Now, here's one thing all 3 of these steps have in common. You have to hustle. You have to work hard. You have to be willing to spend your extra time not binge watching Netflix and not playing video games, to work hard on your hustle, taking your free time that you do have to strive to succeed and earn money so that you can accomplish your goals. However, the hurdle I had to overcome after learning how to land clients was learning how to land the right clients. That's why I developed my Clarify framework, which you can check out in this video right here.